In this video, we are going to write a program for finding out if a number is an Armstrong number or not. The program that we are going to create is Armstrong. Just take this and put it over here, and not just strong, but Armstrong. Program for Armstrong number. By the way, Armstrong number is a number which is equal to sum of its cubes. So you might be thinking what I'm looking down. It's actually the question. It has the question and it has examples. So 153 is an Armstrong number. 370 is an Armstrong number. 371 and 407 are also Armstrong number. So I have written these things so that I don't have some issue. So how do we do it? First, we need to get a number, right? So number is equal to integer input. What exactly is the input thing? Enter any number. This is exactly what should be inputted for getting user input. Once we have gotten that, we are going to run a loop over number. And then what we need is, now that we are getting a number, we need to get the digits. Digit is equal to number and then percentage sign and 10. So this gets us the last digit of a number. Uh, and number is equal to number floor division 10 and print digit. So this is going to make sure that at least this much amount of program is correct. So we are going to do Python ARM Armstrong and then 1 4 5. So 5 for 1 should be printed, which is done. So at least we are able to get the digits. Now we need a sum variable which is initialized with 0. And what else do we need? We need to sum the digit times 3, right? So this should be pretty much fine. We know that we have to make sure that it is the cube that we are adding, right? So and we also need to make sure that we are storing the uh, we are also storing a we are also storing the numbers, because while here we are actually modifying the user input, which is the number. So we need to make sure that we are storing exactly what number user has inputted, and if the number that is entered by user is equal to the sum of its cubes, then sum of cubes, right? This is much more readable. So if it is equal to sum of cubes, if the number entered by the user is equal to the sum of its cubes of individual digits, then the number we have to print that this number, this is Armstrong number. This should be the output, and else we need to print this is not Armstrong number. This is exactly what we need to print. So we are going to test for the input that we have. So initially it's 0, right? So it should be an Armstrong number, which is the case. Then we have what else? We've got 1 should be, and it is. 2 should not be, which is correct. Then 153 is, then this is an Armstrong number. 100 is not, this is not an Armstrong number. 407 is, so this, yeah, so our program is working properly. We have tested it for different test cases, and it is working properly. So thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.